Hello, thanks for joining me for another beer review. Today I've got a beer from Brew by Numbers. They're out of Bermondsey in London, and this is their 07 Witbier Orange and Vanilla. It's coming in at 5% ABV, 330ml can. I've had this beer quite a while, so yeah, 330ml, and this was actually brewed for Beer 52, incidentally, so it's not one of those beers that you can randomly go and just pick up. Plus, you don't see them very often, but apart from some of their darker beer, like the coffee porters and stuff like that, 330mls, the higher ABV stuff, you don't generally see them in 330s apart from that. Most of them are 440s, and sometimes they're, I think sometimes they're a bit more than that, I'm not too sure. So they're saying it's a modern take on a classic Belgian style, combines a bright and refreshing wit beer base with the zesty flavours of orange peel and creamy vanilla. The refreshing beer is full-bodied and balanced with a spicy yeast character and clean, crisp finish. I didn't really want to know all that, but there you go. Just see if there's any mention of what hops are in this. So orange peel, oats, wheat, barley, water. Just says vanilla, hops and yeast. So yeah. I've got a few. This has been in the can for quite a while, and this is my first beer for, I don't know actually how long. Is it 30 something days? It's 31, 32, 33 days. This is my first beer in 33 days, so I needed a break from it. So yeah, so from the, not counting today, so the 5th of October to the 6th of November, so there we go. So I guess anything is going to be good, you know, after that amount of time off the drinks. I'll leave it like that for now. So, using a small half pint teku here. So as you would expect, there's a slight haze to it. Raw carbonation, again what you would expect, not that you can see it much on the camera. There we go. Yeah, straw. They can vary in haziness, but there probably is a little bit at the bottom of the can here, potentially. Most of it is in the, there's nothing stuck to the bottom of the can, inside of the can, or the underneath the rim. So yeah, looks the part. Give it a swirl and a sniff then. It's about half a finger of white frothy head. You're definitely getting the orange notes there, sweetness from the vanilla. Smells interesting. Slight Belgian funk. Slight cereal notes in there, but yeah, definitely you can't get away from that vanilla sweetness, so, and that orange peel. So let's go in. Cheers. Got my taste buds a shot. It's like, what's this? This beer? Now on the taste, what I'm getting is more of a Belgian funk. Apart from sweetness and Belgian funk on the taste, which is really quite noticeable, I'm also getting like a cereal kind of quality to the beer. Creamy. Carbonation's there, but normally with wheat beer I expect it a little bit more. Alright, this is, what's this now, 11 months old in the can, or just over 11 months, so it's got until January of 2022 on the side of the can here. So yeah, overall, I mean, It's okay. It's nothing special. It's easy drinking. The carbonation's not kind of what you'd expect, which adds to the drinkability of the beer. Fairly easy drinking. It's more subtle kind of flavours of orange peel. Vanilla's there, but which is fine because I don't want it too sweet. Not really getting any of them other classic kind of herbal, bubblegummy kind of notes. I don't know if it's the vanilla has changed that kind of flavour profile of the whole beer overall, not too sure. Can't say I've heard of too many wheat beers or wit beers with vanilla in, so yeah, it's okay, but not blowing my socks off considering this is the first beer I've had for 33 days, and this is going to cloud up a little bit more, as you kind of would expect really. For the style, a little bit hazier now, kind of a light orange if you like. See if that tastes any different. No, not really. A little bit more rounded, a little bit more fuller in the body, but apart from that, the flavour is still the same. It's still very creamy, very drinkable. Yeah, just something different to start off with, I guess. But yeah, first beer for ages, so still very pleasant. So that's brewing by number 07 Witbier, orange and vanilla. So, let me know if you've had this one then. Check out my brewing by numbers playlist. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.